So I haven't had a set of keys ever since I moved to Korea, and that's because Korea uses digital door locks. Now, the closest thing to keys that I've come across are these two bad boys. Now, one is for my apartment and one is for my school. And the only reason why I have a key to my apartment is because my digital door lock actually broke last year and I had to get a new one installed, which cost me a little less than $300, which my school reimbursed. And everybody's digital door locks are going to be different, but the functionalities are going to be very similar. And today I wanted to share 4 important things that you should know about your digital door locks if you live in Korea or are planning to move to Korea at some point. 1. How to know when to change your batteries. 2. How to change your batteries. 3. What to do if you're locked out of your apartment because your digital door lock stopped working because the batteries are dead. And 4th, how to change your passcode. Every digital door locks have their own unique sound, and you should be familiar with it since you hear it every single day. And this is how mine sounds. But once you start hearing a sound that you're not familiar with, that's your lock telling you that you need to change your batteries. And normally the sound comes on and off for about a week or 2. So I would recommend that you change the batteries within that week. As my lock makes an unfamiliar sound, you could actually see a red light that's blinking. You need to press the middle where the dots are and slide up. As you can see, mine uses 4 AA batteries, but some locks use 8 AAA batteries, so you should definitely check it before you buy them. When you get locked out of your apartment because your batteries are dead, you need to look for a 9V connector that looks like this on your door lock. Go to a nearby convenience store and buy the 9V battery. So you notice that there are 2 different size holes. You put the smaller hole to the smaller hole and the bigger hole to the bigger hole and attach it to the connector and hold it for 30 to 1 minute. And once your lock is charged up temporarily, press in your passcode and go inside your house and change your batteries immediately. First, open the battery compartment, then open the door. I'm going to press the R. Then press the key. Then go to R again. Press.